let's walk through the process. First of all, how did the water affect the home and how did that lead to the rest of the renovation?
Well, in this room particularly, we had a roof leak, which came down, ran into the walls, obviously affected the sheetrock, affected the floor. We also had additional water damage in the bathroom adjacent. And of course, as the water came in and flowed through here, not only did it ruin all the floors and the walls, but it also leaked downstairs and it ruined the drywall and also the floors downstairs as well. Rospers is really, a special company when it comes to our rebuild process and our renderings and how we finish products. But we also have another very important tool in our belt, and that's that we're experts in insurance estimating. Most contractors don't know how to write an insurance estimate. These estimates were written in ExactMate, that's the insurance company language for estimating. They want it all to be written in one language in order for them to accept. Well, we are experts in writing those estimates. So we're able to help the clients out by putting together a very thorough estimate for the insurance company in ExactMate, which most contractors don't know how to use.
Right, so obviously starting here in the master, I know that you guys are changing floors, window,
well, yes.
Fix the roof walls, so what are we diving into here?
So in here, we're gonna wind up changing all the windows in the house to impact rated windows and doors. Obviously here we got a lot of sheetrock insulation work to do. The floor, which is gonna be changed throughout the whole first floor, as well as the first floor and the second floor, because of the fact that not only did the damage happen here, but it also happened on the first floor, and it's the same type of flooring. And again, these are the things that many people may not know, that when you have damage to one area, if it's continuous, the insurance company typically pays for the entire area. And that goes for paint and floors and baseboards or doors or anything that's damaged. A lot of contractors will come in and write an estimate just for what they see,
right,
not for what the client is actually entitled to.